Boliden Quarry. This was a prospect by the Boliden company, and Peter here will give us a quick introduction.
Yes, this was a trial quarry by Boliden. They wanted to mine the nepheline syenite, which you see here, a good example of, for aluminium production. Unfortunately, the iron content in the pyroxene was too high, so it was impossible to use it for aluminium. And that's why it's more or less abundant. Here we can see fine-grained nepheline syenite, which is nepheline. Here we have a fresh exposed surface, nepheline, alkali feldspar and pyroxene, cut by a very nice little carbonatite dike.
So, and a little over there, the rock type changes.
Here we have some more carbonatite dikes.
So here, for example.
And one below. Is a double intrusion.
There, and there's a bit of breccious material here.
And the wall rock. Whoops. The wall rock behind Valentin here is a coarse-grained alkaline rock. The dark crystals, that's Ijolite Syenite, and then you have mainly nepheline and perhaps a little spot of feldspar, but it's mainly Ijolite.
So that's the nepheline, that's the pyroxene. It's an Ijolite, yeah. And the crystals can be very large. See here, they're centimeters long, tens of centimeters potentially in places.
Oh.
And they can be quite wide as well. And there's quite large numbers of them. They seem to be oriented in places. Here, we have these large crystals with a preferred orientation. In the matrix of mainly nepheline, that's the grey material here.
And up here, it's a nepheline syenite again. So this is sort of a pegmatitic Ijolite intrusion into nepheline syenite. See it even here with the large pyroxenes.
So yes, there seems to be a boundary here between the Ijolite and the nepheline syenite, somewhere here. So this is some sort of a pegmatitic vein or offshoot of some definition. And it's got these large crystals, and they're really focused into that pegmatite area, and it seems to go towards there, and there it dies out. So above and below, above there and below this crystal, pyroxene crystal rich vein, we have the nepheline syenite. So this is really what's to see here at Boliden Quarry, and we say thank you again, and hopefully we'll see you at the next stop again.